Hey guys, it's Vonshae, the marketing queen. Hi guys. So today I want to talk about the importance of multiple streams of income and diversifying your platforms. Let me tell you a story. Let me start with this. You want to have multiple streams of income because you never know when one campaign will go away, one thing will leave, and then you're stuck out. It's almost like having a job. Even on the internet, you want to have multiple campaigns and multiple streams of income, not just one. Because you could wake up one morning and your whole campaign be shut down, or a platform can shut you down for no reason at all. You lose everything. If all your eggs are in one basket, you can wake up the next morning and everything's gone suddenly. But if you have multiple streams and different platforms, then guess what? You may lose a stream, but you still have backup streams. You have other streams available to where you don't lose everything at once. I woke up Tuesday morning and one of my platforms I had been with for about 3 years now was just shut down, completely shut down. It was going over with. My account had been terminated. No explanation, no anything. I had just been terminated. And so I was sick because I had all of my eggs in that main basket. I still had other streams and I still had diversity. I had other platforms that I advertised for, but all of my main focus was on that particular platform because that's where I made the majority of my money. When I woke up and couldn't log into my back office, I was sick. It took me 2 or 3 days communicating back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth with them to get my account reestablished. And I still haven't got my money released from the part that they owed me. I still haven't got my money released. So I'm still going back and forth with them. But the best part about it was, although that was my main account and I had money flowing through that account and I was sick about it, the next few days, I had received a payment from one of my other accounts that I wasn't even aware that I had a payment coming. So that's the great part of diversification. When you diversify, when you have seeds planted here, seeds planted here, and seeds planted here, and you're advertising for this campaign and this campaign, then guess what? When one campaign is shut down, you still have payment from another. So I have 3 particular streams right now. My main stream was tampered with. Let's just say I'm still working on getting my mainstream back, but I still have 2 other streams to fall back on. And even though it's not as much, it's something to hold me over until I get that one back. And from now on, I have learned a valuable lesson. This website is going to do this. This particular website is going to do that. This particular website is going to go here. This particular website is going to go there. I'm diversifying my accounts because I don't want things to happen to where if one thing slows down or you lose it all, you lose everything. At this point, if I lose it all, I only lose 30% of it because I have 33 here, 33 here, and 33 there. That's the way I'm working it now. So the best part about the whole situation is even though I lost the one stream for the time being, I had to prove that this and prove that and send in this and send in documents for that and prove this and justify that. I had to do all of those things because I'm working with platforms. So even though I've done all that and I'm still waiting for the responses, I still have other streams that I'm working with and I got paid from another account. So I'm not totally out of there, but I could have been. Oh, I was sick. Do you understand me? But that's the importance of having multiple streams of income. Think about if your job did that to you. You wake up one morning and all of a sudden they say, we're going to have to let you go. What next? You're going to be sick. It's always good to have a few things going on the side so that even if it's not much, it'll sustain you until you find something else or you start building something to where it'll sustain you until you find something else. Diversify your income. Diversify your platforms, diversify everything. Everything don't need to be put. You're supposed to have multiple accounts, multiple campaigns, multiple payment sources, multiple websites, multiple everything. Everything needs to be multiplied, not one. Because if one thing shut down and you lose it all today, what are you going to do tomorrow? You're going to be sick. So that's the message for today is diversification, multiple streams of income. They say successful people have up to 7 streams of income and even more. There are people with 18 streams of income. There are people with 50 streams of income. I mean, you don't have to stop at 7. I mean, but I'm working towards 7. I got 3 now. And now I'm working on evening it. I'm working on evening everything out. Over here some, over here some, and over here some, because you can't just depend solely on one situation, because if that situation shut down and you have no reason for it to shut down or anything, and all of a sudden you lose it all. So I was so thankful that I had another account that I had been pushing on the back end, and I had a check coming, a deposit. They don't do checks, but a direct deposit that was coming along. So thank God for that. And I looked at my other account and I got money in that. So I already know that I got some more money coming from another account. So thank God for having those other 2 accounts that I don't promote as heavily, but I still promote so that they have some money in there so that I can get payments. So that's the good thing. And always try to build you something that is sustainable and longevity, and always be working on building something that you'll have more control over. Always work on building your websites to where you maintain the control. Now, you can't control every single thing that's on the internet because other platforms are paying you. Just like they have all types of affiliate programs, other platforms are going to be paying you. But if you stay in compliance and you can prove that you're in compliance, then even if they ever shut you down, then you can get reinstated, but you just have to go through this long, vigorous process of getting back reinstated. And you need something to hold you over until you get reinstated. That's why it's always good to have multiple streams. So that's the message for today. Always have multiple streams of income, not just one. That's the message for today. Okay, guys, this is Vonshae, and go to my website, Vonshae.com, and watch the free presentation. And if you want to start your own business, send me a message, put in a comment, like and subscribe to this video, and comment below and let me know how I can assist you. Have a great one. Bye-bye.